today, as for my boyfriend's request, we're gonna go spontaneous. Let's see where we go. By
Please select
single.
service you want.
For basic fare only. I don't know what this is.
Select destination.
Samsung station. Samsung.
Select number of tickets.
2.
4K flat. Go for it.
Good job.
Give me the tickets.
No strike issuing tickets.
Ticket.
Thanks. 500.
Deposit. Nice.
Very mild taste. Not too intensive.
Okay.
It's alright. Not bad.
Maybe eat with the kimchi.
Good.
Wow.
Very windy, yeah. Okay, let's try. Cheers. Ready.
The first milk tea at the ages that we get.
Good one. Good.
Happy.
Happy. My straw is shitty. Good.
Cheers. What we want?
Who's this? Or should we try the white one?
No, I want
You
the
want the
black
black
one.
one? I don't think it works.
It doesn't even draw. Oh no.
Oh, that was not nice.
Come on, Toothless, come to me. Toothless. Oh no! This is so bad. Oh my god.
One more.
There's no way. Oh my god.
What pizza?
This is not good.
Noodles, come on, please. Maybe the head.
Yeah.
Come on.
Keep moving like this already.
After 500 tries. This
Please, please. Oh my god, now it's a bad position again. We try again because I like this too much.
You never let go.
Oh goodness. Wow. The hero.
Trash can. Poppy coffee.
Not coffee.
I'm sitting down now. Food is already here. I'm not even sitting. Food already here. What is it? A soup with meat? And rice. Happy? Yeah. Yummy? Just the right one? You wanna try?
Another piece under. You need to pick it up. This is like deep sauce.
Smells good.
But it's very plain. So like this is
Mm.
and apple sauce.
Good? Okay. With onions, onions, and meat. Really good combination. Nice broth.
It's a soup that I really like. I come back to you for this.
Already. Pretty plain. No?
Yeah. But this smells good. How was it?
One was yummy, one was normal.
Was very yummy, both of it. I mean, like only 12K. You need to pay first. You go in and you pay. You choose what you order. You pay, and then you sit down. And when you already pay, the food is already on the table.
Yeah.
Was very yummy. I really like the plain soup, but he doesn't like it.
I think it's something for all of the people. You know, something is very neutral with the taste, and something is very intense with the taste. So everyone has something.
But try it.
But only 2 dishes, which is a good thing. There's no puppy in the coffee. I don't talk to you anymore.
like waterfall into the storm. Waterfall, there's also an entrance goes somewhere inside. It looks nice in here. Nice there for walk.
Lucky Bong Bong.
Lucky Bong Bong.
It's like Fanta. No?
Yeah.
You like it?
It's a free bar. You can get veggie. Try.
Interesting chicken.
Interesting chicken. Someone like the green a lot.
Someone like what?
The green a lot, that the roll the fried rice in it.
Good. This looks like sushi. This is inclusive.
After you eat, you can have a walk here as well. Looks nice. Want to buy something at Lotte, but then we realized Star Avenue. Okay.
롯데生鮮では様々なカテゴリーの商品を定価よりも安い前